Hello, welcome. It's Ambi from AmbeeRay Nails, and today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful little swirl marble nail. Super quick, super easy. You're just going to start with your base color. I started with yellow, and then I'm going to be using two different oranges as well as the yellow today. All of the products I'm using are from Canni. So let's go ahead. This one is cured. Now I'm going to do a thin layer of the yellow again. And I'm going to leave this one uncured. And we're just going to take some of the different colors that we're using today and we're just going to kind of drop them on there. You might want to have a napkin nearby. Do less of the darker color, so that you can wipe off your brushes before putting them back in the bottle. And then you're just going to take, I'm using a liner brush. You can use a liner brush, a detail brush, a dotting tool, probably even a toothpick if you want. And we're just going to swirl these on. You're going to want to try to make it as thin, oh, out of frame here. As thin and even kind of as possible. Go down the sides so that you don't have any like empty spots, because that will make like dents and divots that you're gonna have to file and buff out later. Yeah, just swirl it on. No rhyme, no rhythm, however you want. And once you got it swirled where you want it, go ahead and pop that in your lamp. Okay, now I went ahead and I cured it for a couple of minutes, 2 full minutes, because it is pretty thick and you want it cured all the way through. You do not want undercured product on your hands. And if you find it's still a little bit lumpy, as you can see, if you don't want to do the whole file buffing thing, just take a little bit of base coat. Do a nice coat of base coat. That'll fill in some of those little bumps. And put that in your lamp for a minute to cure. And we're just ready for some top coat. Because the colors that I chose are so similar, it's not showing up very well on my camera. You can use any color you want. This works great. I've done it with purples and silvers, and it's just the easiest way to do marble. Maybe not the best way, but certainly the easiest. I'm just using my glow-in-the-dark top coat here. I'm gonna put that right back in the lamp for 1 more minute. There you go. There's your super easy, super quick swirl marble nail. This is what they look like on my beautiful fake hand, Annabelle. I did these colors to match a specific dress. They're kind of perfect for summer. I know the ring finger, I just did some basic flowers in the same colors. It goes great. You could just do the swirls on every single finger. Hope you like this quick and easy tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great and beautiful day, friends.